If you are using a lightening products or your whitening products, you may notice your joints area like your elbow, your knuckles, and your knees getting darker than the rest of your body. In this video, I will show you how to clear those dark knuckles without spending too much with just two products. Just two products and you will get flawless skin and the right way to use whitening cream without getting dark knuckles. Welcome to Bukola Glow, your golden space for healthy radiant skin. Here your healthy skin, your glowing skin is my business. So now let's get into the business. So if you are dark skin, if you know you are naturally dark skin and you are using a lightening products or a whitening products, you know you cannot escape dark knuckle, right? This side of your body and your joint area, you will definitely have knuckles because those parts, this our joint area is more tougher and stubborn than the rest of our body. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to use that your whitening, your lightening cream without having knuckles. And if you already have knuckles, stick to me to the end because this video you're going to benefit one thing: flawless skin. How to prevent it, because as a dark person, you're trying to lighten up your skin. You cannot get away with dark spots. It's not possible. But you can walk your way around it and still get flawless skin. So if you know you already have knuckles already, you use a whitening product and you have dark elbow, dark underarms, your ankle, your knuckles, your body, some part of your body is darker than the rest of your body. Don't worry. Get Kojie San soap and Vaseline B3 oil. You see, these two products is good for dark knuckles. Kojie San soap is not just for your face, it's for any part of your body that have dark knuckles. One thing is Kojie San soap is close to hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is more stronger than Kojie San soap, but this Kojie San soap contain high level of kojic. So if you know you have dark spots, don't worry. If you have uneven skin tone, don't worry, just get Kojie San soap. So for a knuckle, you already have dark knuckles, just wet your hands. Because you have dark knuckles and we are using a lightening product, don't do the mistake of using the Kojie San soap on your hands, the whole of your hand. Just wet your hands, then cut your Kojie San soap into cubes. Don't dip the full bar soap in water every day. Just one cubes, then rub it on this part of your body, this your knuckles that is darker. Because if you are using it on your full hand, this side is going to be getting lighter, the rest of your hand is going to be getting lighter, and this part of your hand is going to be getting darker. So that is why it's good for you to just focus on this part, this your knuckles that is dark. Focus on it and treat it first. Then you don't need to use something that will whiten it. Just get this B3 oil, Vaseline B3 oil is going to moisturize and brighten it. At this moment, all you need is something that will brighten those knuckles. You don't need something that is ash, that is going to add to the dark knuckles, because if you are not using a whitening product on a dark area, you will notice that that place will keep getting darker. And don't do the mistake of using anything that is going to peel your knuckle. If you are peeling your knuckle, when you start using it, you will love it. Let's say the first week, when the knuckle is peeling, you will love that part because a new flesh will come out. You will see a new skin. But just give it 3 weeks. That part that peel off will start getting dark, and it will even get worse than the way it was in the past before you start using that peeling product. So it is not safe, it is not advisable to use a peeling product to peel your dark knuckles. If you know you want to get rid of that dark knuckle, just get Kojie San soap and this Vaseline B3 oil, and it's going to clear your knuckles. Another trick about using whitening products Another trick about using whitening products to a whitening lightening product without having dark knuckle is when you're rubbing your cream, use it from all the parts of your body, from here to here to these parts. Then spare these parts. Don't rub that your whitening cream on your hands. No, just leave that part for a brightening product like this Vaseline B3 oil or any other brightening product that is not whitening lightening. Something that is going to gradually brighten that place. A brightening product is more gentle and more safe. It's not going to do quick fix. It's something that will gradually heal that part of your body. That is what you need. Because as a dark skin person, one thing that will always sell you out that you're using a whitening or a lightening product is your knuckles, your joint area. You see those parts of our body, they are more tougher and more stubborn than the rest. If you are using your cream this way, trust me, dark knuckles is going to be far away from you. There is no way you will have dark knuckles. So it's always good for you to prevent those knuckles before you get it. Or if you already, you already have that knuckles, just get rid of it. Because when people see you, one thing that people notice first is your hands and your legs. So if your hands is you're having patches on your hands, no matter how expensive you look, no matter how beautiful your face, the hair, your clothes, your outfits, no matter how expensive your outfits is looked, it's going to make you look tacky when you have dark knuckles, you have uneven skin tone. So please, if you know you want to use whitening products, use it this way, and trust me, you're not going to have knuckles. You just see that you have this. Even the only part of your body that I know you cannot bleach is your scalp. There is no way you can bleach these parts. But you see your knuckle, you can have flawless, from your face down, you can have it flawless. That is if you know how to use the right way to use your whitening products, the right way to use your lightening products. You're going to be glowing, you're going to be flawless. That's those that God really give those whitening skin. So please, before you start using whitening products, think about the knuckles. I see a lot of people don't even care about having knuckles, because I don't know why someone is using a whitening or a lightening product and their hand, they have this kind of knuckle and they are still using it. Like a product is giving your hand is like this, and you're still comfortably still buying that product, still using it. You are not like, let me pause and look for solution. So please, before your situation gets to this, before you start hiding that your hand, you went, maybe you are outside, you are with your friends, and you are not free. If you are like me, that as my mouth is talking, my hand is also talking. I don't even know how to use only my mouth to talk without using my hand to do the gesture. So please, you can bleach your skin and still have a flawless skin, as long as you're doing it the right way. Having dark knuckle is something that will make you look, it's not going to make you look like the real babe, the soft babe that you want to be, because you actually want to look beautiful. That's why you're lightening your skin, right? You want to be fair. That's why you're using it. So now when you are now, your skin is now fair, and your hands, your legs are now having some patches, it's not going to make you look sophisticated, that kind of, you need, let your skin always do the justice. There's nothing like you having a flawless skin. There's nothing like you having a skin that you can just go out anytime. You know that, yes, you can wear anything short that you want. You flaunt what your cream give you in a right way. There's a way you flaunt that thing that your cream, that flawless skin that your cream gave you. Flaunt it the right way. Use that whitening product the right way, and you're not going to have knuckles. If you know you learn one or two things from this video and you've not joined this family, please, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to be seeing this beautiful face on your timeline? Don't you want YouTube to be recommending my video to you? So please join this family, smash that subscribe button, and let's grow and glow together like fine wine. Because here it is important for you to have healthy skin. I'm not going to allow you to rest until your skin is flawless and healthy, because there is no beauty in having a fair skin while you're having a dark patches or dark knuckles on any parts of your body. So you can trust me with a healthy skin. I don't believe in having a white skin while the skin is not glowing. I believe in, if you are dark skin, make sure your skin is doing the talking, to hear those sweet words. Like when somebody compliments you, oh, I love your skin is glowing, There is this there is this there's this sweetness that comes with it. So please, and please, use that your whitening or lightening product in a safe way. Make sure you're using it in a way that is going to make your skin glorify God, because healthy skin is very important. Don't forget to stay flawless, glow up, show up, and never give up. And I will see you in the next